The rise of Altivo, Himmel's vision for a modern, electrified future. In a world where aesthetics and functionality are no longer mutually exclusive, Himmel, the renowned electrical products manufacturer, is making waves with its Altivo series. This innovative wiring device range is not just about electrical performance. It's a testament to the evolving landscape of home and commercial electrics. But here's where it gets controversial. Altivo's success isn't just about its sleek design and reliability. It symbolizes a global shift in consumer and developer mindsets, a shift towards prioritizing both aesthetics and safety. Altivo, with its ultra-slim plates, contemporary color options, and an array of functional modules, seamlessly integrates into modern living spaces. This series is a perfect blend of design precision and robust electrical integrity, a combination that's gaining traction in fast-growing markets. The rapid adoption of Altivo across diverse regions is a testament to this universal shift in thinking, says Wenjie Chi, International Business General Manager at Himmel. People want it all: modern aesthetics and reliable safety. Altivo is our response to this demand, showcasing our commitment to high-quality, accessible solutions. Himmel's global expansion is rooted in its long-standing mission to make reliable, well-designed electrical solutions accessible to a global audience. Founded in Spain in 1958, Himmel's heritage aesthetics continue to influence its modern approach to home electrics. This foundation is the bedrock of its powering infinity philosophy, enabling people, businesses, and communities to embrace a safe, sustainable, and future-ready electrical future. Kun San-ong, Vice President of International Sales at Himmel, adds, "The Altivo series is more than just a product line. It's a reflection of our commitment to transforming everyday spaces into dream homes with reliable, design-focused electrical solutions. From Southeast Asia to the Gulf and East Africa, we're empowering modern living." Looking ahead, Himmel is committed to its Powering Infinity initiative, a pledge to continuous innovation and enduring value. The company aims to empower modern, dream home environments worldwide, ensuring that every space it touches is a step towards a brighter, more electrified future. For more insights into Himmel's journey and the Altivo series, visit Himmel's website, https://www.himmel.com/gb. Photos. Himmel's Altivo launch in global markets, https://media/2833445/Himmel_launches_Altivo_global_markets.jpg. Altivo. Stylish, safety-focused wiring devices for modern living spaces. https://mma.prnews.com/media/2833446/altivo_stylish_safety_focused_wiring_devices_modern_living_spaces.jpg